Hi guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have, I guess, seasonal edits. Do you want to see what I ordered? Stay tuned. I'm kind of still confused on how this happened, but I thought they always had their edits before the season and then they come with that season. So when I saw that there was edits, I just all of a sudden just assumed that it was the edits that would go with my summer box. So I got all excited thinking my summer box was going to be coming soon. But then when I got this, it's only the items that I received and not the box. So apparently this was the end of the spring edits. So I guess they did them again because I did the spring edits before my spring box. I don't know, this is probably confusing, but I'm just, I'm confused on how this happened because, like I said, I normally choose my edits before the box ships. So I guess I ordered spring edits again, thinking it was summer. That's what I'm trying to say. Now, spring edits. Now, I didn't order a whole lot because, again, I thought this was going to be coming with my summer box. So there's not a whole lot really to show. I mean, I ordered a mystery bundle and I think some spongellies. I don't know, let's see. This is a big old ass box for just what's in here though, let me tell you, because look, like, that's a lot of wasted space up in here, but let's see. All right, so that's my mystery box, and then this is my other. That is a huge ass box, you guys. So this time I ordered the Spongel. This is the Tea Blossom. This is the Tea Blossom. I don't know. This is the Tea Blossom, and it says 30 usages, and there's 2 of them in here. So I thought this would be a better deal because there's an actual tufa. It's a tufa. So I want to smell this Blossom and see, because I love these no matter. Whoa, these are big. These are big, you guys. Like, that's a big one. Normally, they're like not that thick. They're normally not that thick, but that is. I can't really smell anything. I can't really smell anything. I'm gonna have to probably, I could open one maybe because I need to replace the one that's in my shower anyways. But what the heck? What is this one again? Tea Blossom? What the hell is a Tea Blossom? Tea Blossom. And then we blossom. Let's see. Okay. Okay, so now I smell a little bit. Okay, not bad. Not as amazing smelling scented as the other ones, but that's a big boy. That's a fat guy right there. Like, and there's 2 of them. So no wonder why the box is so big, because the sponges are so big. Okay, so the next thing that I ordered, and it came with a set of 2, and like the only family, I don't have very much family. Not that I don't want people to know, but it's just, I don't know. I don't know what my deal is with that one, but not a lot of my family knows that I have a YouTube channel, I guess I should say. But my one true family supporter is my mom, and I'm sure she probably watches a lot of my videos from California. So if she watches this, then she's just getting a glimpse of something that will be in her Mother's Day box. But that's only one thing, so whichever. There was, because California has a straw law. If you don't know this, you know about the straw law. They have a straw law where at a restaurant, they literally cannot give you a straw unless you absolutely ask. So they're trying to be environmental friendly, which is amazing. So they have a straw law, and it's legit. Like, their second offense, they literally go to jail. I'm like, do you guys have a straw jail? Like, can you imagine all these just waiters and waitresses in jail because they gave somebody a straw? Like, what are you in for? I gave someone a straw. Like, how does that work? I don't know. Anyways, there was a set of 2, and I cannot honestly remember how much I paid for these right now, but it came with a set of 2, and they are collapsible straws. And I thought this would be cool because then she can leave one in her purse, and then if she uses one, she can clean it and then put the other one in. I don't know if she's even going to use them, but I thought this was a good idea so she can put in her purse because of the straw all out there in Cali. So let me show you what this looks like. The packaging, I dropped something. There's the packaging. That's the brand name. And it's yeah. Okay, so what did I drop? Oh, a key ring. That's not bad. Just a little key ring. So you can stick on here. I mean, would you really put these on your, I wouldn't attach this to my key, but I guess you have that option. So here is the packaging. There's a pink one and a gray one. So I'll go ahead and just open up one of them just so we can see what kind of foldable. That was rude. There we go. There's the, let me do it upside down. Here you go. There you smart Tracy. Okay, so there is the straw, and it has a magnetic top if you didn't see that one already. Since it just said, I went to show you, and it's like, nope, you ain't seeing it. What? Okay, so let's pull out the straw. And then the lid closes again. Okay, so there is the straw, and it has a rubber tip on both ends, which is, this one is pink, and that's kind of cool because then it's compact, see? And then just fold it back up after you clean it, fold it back up and just stick it right back in there. That's actually really neat. I'm actually really glad. And then, so this must be the thing to clean it. Whoa, this little guy was shoved in that hole, and this must be the whoop-de-woo to shove down in there to clean it. But I don't know. Let me just fold this bad boy back up and whoa. Have fun with this one, Mom. Let me see. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to, I guess I might have to take the little thing out of the, whoa. She could probably just leave the straw cleaner at her house instead of trying to fold it back up in this, but I got it back in. I mean, it's not hard, but let me see. So the gray one is exactly the same, just in gray, and the cleansing thing, this one must not have been packaged well, because this one's already, this one's bent. But that's okay. I guess you just shove it down. Maybe it's talking about this little tip when you shove it through. Maybe this little tip is what cleans it. I'm not sure. She'll have to have fun with this one. But let me just put it back in here. And again, yeah, I'm going to add this to her Mother's Day gift when I send it to her. Just because I thought this was a cool idea, again, with their straw. Lol. Do any of you guys have a straw law? Like, do you know about the straw law? Because I thought it was crazy. If you didn't watch one of my videos when I came back, like my first day out there, and I didn't know about the straw law, my first day out there, I went and met up with my friend, and we're having breakfast, and the lady comes and brings the drinks and sets them down and walks away, and I look at the table and I don't see straws, and I look over and she's out. I'm like, well, that was rude. And my friend's like, what? I'm like, is she going to get our straws? Because that was rude. And she's like, oh no, they can't give you straws here. And I'm like, what the hell IHOP doing? I thought maybe it was just IHOP. Then to come to find out, the waitress was telling me about the law, and the second offense, you really go to jail, and that's serious, and it's all over, it's statewide. I'm like, when did this happen? I mean, I come out at least once a year. Well, I come out once a year. I'm like, when did this happen? So it was crazy for me to find that out. Anyways, 10 minutes into my video, all I've showed you is my spongels, my fat boys, and these straws. So this is the mystery box or bundle. This one I believe is $29. And normally I add one or two to my seasonal box and they're normally really good. Normally they're really good. Normally they're really good. This one isn't looking very appealing right now. I don't, you see what I'm seeing? Let's see what's in here. This, to me, I think this looks like a disappointed bag already, but okay. So the first thing that we have in here is Summer in Rose is the brand, and it is this little purse here. I'm not going to open this because, you know, this is going to a future giveaway because I don't use the small of purses, and I just don't use the small of purses. I have nothing more to say about that one. But, I mean, it does look cute if you were a small purser wearer. If you're a small purser wearer, this might be the purse for you. But I'm a big purser wearer, I guess you want to say. So this is not the purse for me. But it looks really cute. There's like this little silver, I don't know if you can tell, but like inside here, it looks like more of like a rose gold, like shimmer material that's inside those little cutouts. It looks really cute. It's just... no, they're not shimmery. It's just a different material. It's just not my forte. And that's okay. I mean, I guess that's what you get with getting the mystery. They give, it's a mystery. And yes, Snuggie compression socks, travel and sport. Extra tight fit, muscle stabilization, enhanced circulation, increased performance. Unisex sizing, large, extra large. Women's shoe size 8.5 to 12. Men's shoe size 8 to 11.5. Compression technology. And I don't need no compression on my tatas, but yeah. So this is probably going to go into a future giveaway as well. But here are some Snuggie brand compression socks. Safe for travel. I'm not quite sure. I know a lot of people probably use this for like blood flow and stuff like that, but I don't have a problem with my leg circulation currently, so it's something that I don't really need to wear. And what is this thing? Isaac Mizrahi? Mizrahi? I'm not quite sure. New York crystal nail file. Okay. A crystal nail file. And if you follow me, you know I don't do nothing with these nails. It even looks like it comes with a fancy case to put it in, but yeah, I'll probably put this in a future giveaway as well, just because I don't do anything with my nails, so I don't think I'm gonna use this unless I put this in. My mom does stuff with her nails. Maybe I'll put this in with her. Not that I'm just giving you crap I don't want, Mom, but I think you might use this. So maybe I'll put this in with your Mother's Day stuff. If not, you'll see this in a future giveaway. It's not crap that I don't want. It's just not a product that I use, you guys. As you can tell, I don't do anything with these nails. So, okay. Then there's one item left in here. This is just a little, normally I really, really love the bags that I get. There might have been only like one item in one that I didn't care for, which was like a hula hoop situation, because I already have a weighted hula hoop. So it's like I didn't need another hula hoop when I don't really even use the one that I have. So that was like the only product that I was like, everything else has been really, really good in these mystery bundles. So maybe it's not a good idea to get them after the fact, when I didn't know I was getting them after the fact. Okay, so we have Generation Clay, Purifying Pink Clay Mask, Urban Defying Mask, something, Rose, and it had to be Rose, you guys, Rose. There is a safety seal, and you know I'm not a rose person, so I don't know what I'm going to do with this, but if I don't keep this, then I will not keep anything in this mystery box. But so I don't know. I'm going to play around with this in my head and see what I want to do with this particular item. But this is a clay define purifying rose mask, which I'm not a rose person. I don't like the smell of the artificial rose, but that is what you get when you get a mystery surprise. This is what's in it. But I'm not gonna not get them again. Once the spring edits come, which should be next month, I think, then I will definitely get at least another one for the spring edit and try again. Because again, I've got at least 3. This is probably my 4th one. And this is the only one where I'm like, really? I mean, somebody might like that purse and somebody might really need these compression socks, but they're just not my style. That's all I gotta say. So that is everything that I got in this FabFitFun order. And I love my little sponge gels. These I really, really love, and I was really excited to get these for my mom for Mother's Day. So I'm not mad at it, but these were pretty much the same price as that. So I could have did away with this. I don't know. I'm just still really confused on how I did another spring edit after I already did my spring edits. But next time I just got to pay attention more and only do it before, not after. That is everything that I have for this particular edit. I really, really wish I would have chose other items, but you can't cry over spilled milk. What's done is done. It is what it is. And that's the whole point of getting a mystery. But again, I will get another one when I get my summer edits. I will grab another mystery bundle to show you guys another variation. I just wish I would have at least got more, because this was just a little bit of a bummer. But again, it's all good. I just can't wait for May. I can't wait for May's seasonal box. Or summer's seasonal box. I think they start opening up the edits in May. So hopefully I don't know. I just can't wait to get them. I wish I got them every month, but I can't afford that. So I guess I have to wait every season. I don't know. That's just me. Anyway, thank you so much for tuning in. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I'd greatly appreciate it. Until next time, keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.